Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Sammy, and guess what? It's Sunday and at dinner time. Now normally in Jamaica, most people, if them can afford it, I go eat some rice and peas and chicken, whether stew chicken, fried chicken, baked chicken, curry chicken, whatever chicken. Don't worry, your girl got you. I got you. Cause guess what? We cooking too. Some fried chicken and some rice and peas. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. We got it going on. We got it going on. I already have one batch of chicken we fry. And yes, me taste peas because you don't know. You have to taste chicken, you have to taste of, yeah. And that's not the only thing that me I make. Me I make some vegetable too. Oh, and I have my little seasoning thing here. So on, oh yeah, bag of flour with my chicken in it and thing and thing. You don't know. And my coconut milk. I go check my peas, you know. Supposed to um supposed to cook. So I go check my peas and oh lord, this thing like a. Now check my peas and then we put in the stuff. Let me tell you now, being out here on the road sometimes it's not easy, and you know, sometimes me like to have some type of normalcy. So if me can have it, me have it. So let's see. Oi, hot, oi, hot, hot, hot. But the peas cook. Yeah, so now I add coconut milk. And you know how we open coconut. Take coconut. Cause me not have no none I can open right now. So we Hannah got to work. Must always have a trusty knife where you can use. Let's see if we can turn this round a little bit for now so you can see. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. I'm just gonna use all of this because I'm not gonna use it again. Never use the recipe use off. So I'm just gonna use the whole of it. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna pour it out in my rice. I need to wash out this. Why? Start going to put stuff in there. You know, we Jamaicans still we make sure say we wash out the back of them and thing and thing. Take every little bit of our money in our food, right? Right, exactly. I try to make a mess, but right, done. I have my one piece of scallion and thyme, and I don't need that much because I just want little pots I have. So the only thing I have right now is some green pepper to throw in there, but take a nice day, man. Take a nice, take a nice, take a nice. Cause I me I cook my pot, take a nice. You have to rinse off your stuff then. That's my pot. Yeah. Me say, me still could have beat myself cause me forgot fork. Can you imagine how you forget fork? Eh? Like metal fork. You forgot. butter in my rice and peas because I like my rice and peas with butter in there. And no, I'm not use all of this, because I use some of it. And you can put the amount of butter if you like butter in your rice and peas. You can put the amount of butter if you want. I feel like that's enough for me. I want a little tips of sugar. Because again, everybody make them rice and peas different. Me, I make mine own really want it. All the way over because I don't want it boil over. Just a half cover it right there. Flip the chicken again. And you know me. Minutes, we're going to taste this. Sure? It's very good. So, the one about it, I'm the excuse and tell me, say, oh, can't go over the road because of this, that, and the third. Get yourself some electric pot. Get yourself one rice cooker, one slow cooker, one air fryer, whatever your heart desire, you get it so that you can cook some food on the road. And save some money and enjoy the food we have. Because at the end of the day, truck stop food is not it. It's not it. No. Truck stop food will kill you. And after a day or two, you want no more. I will eat my food every day. Okay? The only problem is sometimes I don't get to cook. So like today, I'm gonna make it a point of duty to stop and cook. So that I have food for today. I have dinner for tonight, tomorrow, and Tuesday. Because I'm cooking up chicken which can last me for at least 3 days. And sometimes we cook where food lasts me for 2 days, 3 days. And even if the rice finish, me know say if the rice finish, me can something there. When we can make more rice, or we eat it with some bread, or cut it up and eat it with some pasta or something. You know, you have to find ways and means to make food to eat. Hold on, me turn on back this something. Hold on. Alright. So right now, I'm gonna make some vegetables. Because your Sunday dinner not really complete without salad on the side. If you know, you know. It's not really complete, you know? Especially in a Jamaican household. It's not complete at all. So, that being said, a little cabbage right there, so and put me carrot them, and me just make one bowl vegetable. We can eat this maybe 2 or 3 times. So this may I put carrot, cabbage, lettuce, tomato in it. And that's pretty much it. I know that the time I get cold, I feel like me have to go get one another pot so that me can make soup. And chili. Chili is an American thing, I think. No, me no know. No quote me on that. No quote me on that. But when I came to America, I learned about chili. And it was okay, but when you make your own, as a Jamaican, and you spice it up, as a Jamaican, everybody can chat to you, because your chili is off, boy. Like, it doesn't really matter what you cook, what dish you cook, any dish you call, if you're from around the world where you cook. As a Jamaican, you know you're going to spice it. With the exception of some dishes. Right? So, you just do your thing. Do your thing. And pretty much at the bowl I'm going to use for make the vegetable, so that when we're done, we can just put it in the fridge. Because I have one little fridge, and it work, you know. But as I said, I might need to get another one. When we can store more meat, you know. Because what we do is more time, when we go home, we try to buy enough meat for meal prep, but it may not have the space. May not have the space to fit it. You say, it burn me up, I don't have one fork, man. We really don't want the coconut milk boil over now. Don't want it boil over. Alright. So now we're going to shred with cabbage. Because you don't know, we fancy like that. Yeah. Because I talk very, very loud. Because through the window them down, because I don't want the truck smell like food when I'm done. The windows them down and it's a mad the people them out the door. I think it's driving some people crazy. I don't know. I'm just saying that, but smell like coconut milk. I feel like I'm going to wash up them dishes tonight before I go to bed because hear that sound is the truck is on, the engine is running, um, but me not turn on the optimized idle gates, and so it automatically shut down if you don't press the override button. So that's why you hear that sound one more time. Put a little shredded cabbage, shredded lettuce in here. Let's wash this tomato. I want to finish the salad before me do the rest of chicken. I'll put it in the fridge. Take out the seed them because it's too wet. We know that don't make no sense. But it will cause the salad to spoil fast, and I don't really want that because I want it. I want to have it for at least 3 days. Yeah. vinegar. You just mix this up together. And boom. Salad. Alright, now that we're done with the salad, I'll flip them chicken there one more time, but before I do that, I'm going to take out them here and just let them go and rest on the paper plate. Until I'm ready to put them in there. Shake off as much excess as we can, well floured. And we just make do with situation when we have. Out them chicken there, let the oil hot up again, and then we put in the rest. Alright, there we go. Chicken drop. I'm gonna put some more oil in the pot because the oil will go down. We have two more batch for fry, two more batch of chicken for fry. So I'm just gonna make it all heat up and then put them in there. You know we have a taste test? Yep. So I have some seasoning to make some gravy. nothing wrong with it. I just a joke me. Joke me I make. You know, nobody come to me now. Joke me I make. So this amount of rice, I put in my peas. It's about a cup and a half. I'm gonna say a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups. I don't know because I don't have the measurement thing. So cup and a half. So I'm gonna wash this, put it in my peas. Because coconut milk I cook for about 130 minutes now. Yeah, me pause the video sometime. So yeah, that cooks about 130 minutes now. So I'm gonna wash the rice and I'll put it in there because I'm hungry. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna work on myself. I'm gonna make it work. See, I'm gonna wash my rice. You know what? I just wash it in a bigger bowl. You just have to go moving all that way. For the way I have to do. It's a window over this. Alright. Cool. I don't know if I can really see it, but this me I work with. So I don't wash my rice. Put it in my pot. No, I really miss my farm. Miss my farm. Now we're going to hope and pray. Say, enough water in there to cook the peas, to cook the rice. We're going to hope and pray. But if not, fear not. Because we know how to fix the thing, right? Yeah. Why this look dark so? Okay, last batch of chicken and I'm done fried chicken feel nice. Done fried chicken feel nice. stuffing, then I'm going to wash the dishes. But two minutes I wash them tonight. Because I'll pack them up from tonight anyway. Um, and then we wash them tomorrow. Right now, at bedtime, I have to wake up both. I wake up about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I try to get this man up without making a mess. Rinse out them here and put them back because the only thing I rinse out them and put them back because just the rice to be doing again there. So just rinse it out and put it back. But we're almost done. Almost done, and then eat and done with it. They're gonna make some tea. Them here, oh my god. When we tell us that them work wonders, them work wonders. Because when we drink one of this, sleep. It put me right to bed, nah lie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw my tea. By the time we're ready to drink it, it's cool. And as me say, it's gonna help me to sleep. But right now, I'm just a clean up because I'm almost done cook. As me say, I did the last piece of chicken that I cook, make gravy, and then we're done. Done fry now, so I'm going to make the vegetables, make the sauce. I'm going to make the vegetables, make the sauce, gravy. show you say, yes, you can cook good food over the road. Rice and peas look nice. Dinner is done. So, you know, it's the moment of truth. Hold on 1 minute. Moment of truth. Just like I'm here. Tastes like I'm yard. Thanks for staying with me for Sunday dinner on the truck at a pilot somewhere in Kentucky. Thank you so much for staying with me, guys. If you like this video and if you like to see a yardie do our thing on the truck out on the road, like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a comment below, ask me questions. I'm here to answer your questions the best way I know how. My Jamaican peeps, one of them, shout out there. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. Have a good night, be safe, and stay blessed.